things. And this is always a fun kind of thought experiment. If you guys haven't done this, I would suggest doing this at some point. Okay? But what are 3 things that you would like the culture of your work setting to be that you can intentionally help create? Okay, so 3 things I'm always focused on is why the athletes are doing what they're doing, right? Does it prepare them for the demands of the sport? Why are we doing a squat? Because it makes your legs stronger, right? I want them to know that. Why are we doing these jump variations? Because it will allow you to jump higher, right? Why are we doing these explorative movements? Okay, and it's because we want you to be able to express movement in as many ways as possible. My number 2 when creating culture is I want to kind of change the hierarchy of coach to athlete relationship, right? I don't need to come in and say a word and athletes stand up straight and listen to me and do everything I say exactly how I say it, okay? I want them to want to be a part of this culture. I want them to want to train. If I just force it down their throats all the time, they're not going to love it. They're not going to want to come back. So I don't want to be the coach who gets to stand up here and yell down at everybody. I want everybody to have a say in what we're doing. And finally, kind of my 3rd point, and this might be a bit selfish, but I want to be able to remove the coach, right? So by that I mean not me working less hours, but I mean what happens when I step away and athletes are squatting or training together. What does that look like, right? Do we have an older athlete spotting a younger athlete? Do we have an athlete who's cueing an athlete who's not doing something right? I don't want to be everybody's coach for the rest of their lives, right? We wouldn't be able to do that in this field, right? But some people really want to hold on to their athletes and be selfish over the athletes they train. I don't want that. I want you to train other places. I want you to try other things. I want you to find out what fits for you, right? But if I don't have that part in there, then I feel like I'm bigger than I really am. I don't want people to need us to train. I want people to want to train with us, okay? So that's how we build a culture.